Everybody, so today we're having barbecue. So I've got some briquettes there. I've got a chimney and I've got a firelighter on the barbecue. So right, all I've got to do is fill this thing up with briquettes and get it started. Hopefully you can hear me. If not, well, there you go, that's lit. Just plonk that on top of there and watch it go. Where there's smoke, so got some beef burgers and I've got some sausages as well. So yeah, oh, get smoking now. So we're going to have some jacket potatoes as well, but the wife's going to do them. So yeah, we went for a march today because it was St George's Day, obviously the other day, and the local club group had a march, had a band. There was maybe five, probably not that many, probably over 1,000 people there, I suppose, maybe two max. Yeah, they had the old bagpipes going. Strangely enough, it was quite a scene to see. Right. So burgers, sausages, and the wife's doing some jacket potatoes, which she's going to put in the microwave. And she's going to coat them in olive oil, put them in the air fryer for a bit, so they're nice and crispy. There you go, the coals are done. Just need to tip them out, I think. Just take that off of there. Pour them in there. Whack that back on there. And that will start burning off everything that's on there. Just going to bang the lid on. Let it come up to temperature. And there you go. I'll give it a scrape with the old wire brush. It's climbing good. So it's just going to burn off any old grease that's on there. So it's currently about 500 Fahrenheit. That's what that is. Because it should be hot, shouldn't it? Right. heat up a bit more. Give that another rub in a minute. Probably not the best thing to say, is it? So yeah, still cooking. Reach temperature. Just got a bit of rag. A bit of a brush down. Get anything off it I missed. Heat up and get some food on the go. There you go. Don't cook on the heat, cook off the heat. Give it a chance to cook. So it's been a couple of minutes. A bit. Coming on. I think I'll go and get me my temperature gauge. It's an Inkbird temperature gauge if you want to know. So looking for an internal temperature of about 160 Fahrenheit on the sausages and about 165 on the burgers. There's a burger. $126 and a sausage about 149. Try over it. Getting there, but not there yet. Right, so I'm going to try and cut the top off of this. I'm going to need 2 hands, so something like that. There's a potato. I'm just going to put some cheese and some Kerrygold in there. So there's a potato and the butter and some cheese ish. I'm just going to mix that around, shove that back into there. I might have damaged the side a little bit because it's my first time doing it. I should have practiced, but you know, I didn't. So it's real life. So just mixing that around, trying to, something like that. And I'll try and get that back into there, if possible. Something like that. There you go. That's back on there. Just going to wrap that in tin foil and put that in the barbecue.
Take it.
I'm recording. It's okay. It's too late now. I'll just put some cheese on that. Just going to check on the burgers and everything. That's alright. So, sausages are reading. Yeah, they're cooked within an inch of their lives. They're well cooked. And the burgers are, yeah, they're well cooked. Okay. Just gonna chuck them on there for a minute. Oh, look at that. Oh. Yep. That's enough of that. It'll be black otherwise. Right, just need to go and get a bowl. Get them in. So I'm just going to get them off now. There's the burgers. Sausages. My wife's just told me that they're actually gluten free. Which I never knew. So in there I've just put this one's a burger. This one's the jack potato with cheese and Kerrygold scooped out and put on. The burger is just a roll, Kerrygold, a burger, cheese, sausages, more cheese, jalapenos, and some more cheese, and just covered in cheese. So I'm just going to leave that, let that go a bit, and get it out in a minute. Right, that's long enough. And that should be the jacket potato. Some jalapenos. Oh, look at that burger. Oh, if my tongs were big enough. There you go. Right. So hopefully you can see that. And there's a, oh, there's a burger. And there's the cheese. It's going to take me a while to scrape that out of there, isn't it? Oh, it does look nice. So hopefully, you might just be able to, oh, look at that, flipped it. There you go. So, cheese and Kerrygold. Oh, some jalapenos. Look at that. Right. Enjoy your day, people. I'm going to tuck in at this and get it done. Right. Bye. So. Bit tomato, bit brown. Lovely. So that, people.